I want to show you how you can define how many steps of undo you can preserve in Procreate Dreams. If you want to follow along with the exact file, feel free to check out the description box below. So inside a Procreate Dreams project, you want to tap on the name of your movie to go into Settings, and then tap on Preferences. And the very last option that says Stored Undo Steps, when you tap on it, you can choose anywhere between 10 to infinity. So that's how you can define how many steps you want to save in your Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.